Hi, this is Kelly from Patika Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and I am so excited to share this video with you. It is the third follow-up video to my first video from a couple days ago, where we're talking about how do you get a wrong item unstuck so that your student can actually work with it again when you're doing a drag and drop zone game. So I have tinkered around with it. I'm so excited, can't wait to show you. So here's what it looks like. So we have the instructions, put 3 green presents in the bag. We actually have 2 qualifications. 3 of them, they have to be green, okay? So everything else should pop out. So we want them to go in this toy bag right here, okay? So we are going to put all of the items in. So let's say we're just a confused student and we don't understand the instructions, okay? So we're gonna put this in here. When we hit submit, it should pop out the wrong answers. Oops. And it does. Okay, so this is super exciting news. If you are excited, leave a comment below. Let me know. I've been racking my brain trying to figure out how this is going to work. Now, I will point out the green present, yes, it did pop out. This took some work, okay? I don't think this is going to be that easy to do for everyone, okay? So I'm going to point out why this works. So when I lift this up, I actually have 2 drop zones. I have this large drop zone and I have a smaller drop zone here. So you can see both of them. You hear my little kitty in the background. He has been trying to get my attention this whole time. So, okay, so we have 3 presents in here. Now the reason this popped out is because I actually put it in this drop zone, and that's why it put it back out. Okay, so at first I was like, oh my gosh, it works completely, but it doesn't work consistently. Okay, so if you're going to use it like that, where you put it like, you know, kind of on the edge, you need to tell your users how to do that. Okay, so I don't know, that's up to you. But what's really cool about this is if you put the incorrect, let's put it right in the center, it is going to say whoops, and then I have the freedom now to move this up and take this out, and the student can try it again. And that's what most of you have been wanting. So I do not have time right now to do the inside of this tutorial, but I will do a follow-up video tomorrow to show you guys how to do this if you don't already understand it. Okay, leave a comment below. Let me know if you would like to see the inside the Creator Studio, tutorial. All right, bye guys.